know that Noah took a certain amount of animals into the ark, Abi. But today, we are going to be asking, how many animals did Abraham take? We want to know if people know that it is actually Noah and not Abraham. It's your girl Bernice here on KOKO Street. Come with me. Good morning, Ma.
Good morning.
What's your name, please?
I'm Mrs. Ukwe.
Okay. Ma, how many animals did Abraham take into the ark?
Sorry, this question, maybe uncountable animals. I can't tell you the real figure. But I know there are different kind of animals, bears, goats, etc. I can't really tell, but different animals.
Okay. Thank you very much, Ma. Good morning.
Good morning.
What's your name?
My name is Precious.
Precious. Precious, how many animals did Abraham take into the ark?
No, no. 2 by 2.
No problem. Thank you very much. Good morning. What's your name?
Very.
Very. How many animals did Abraham take into the ark?
He took the animals 2 by 2. So I don't know how many they are together.
Okay. Alright, no problem. Thank you very much. Even me, I would be confused of that question. I'm not gonna lie. But anyways, that's for that. Thank you guys for sticking with us. And I remain your girl Bernice, and this is KOKO Street. Thank you.